One of my personal frustrations is going into the cart and I can pay with Afterpay, BPay, Visa, NextPay, Don't Pay, all sorts of paying solutions. But then when it's delivery, it's Australia Post, fast or slow.
The funny thing is, anything that you receive, from a consumer point of view, you believe your shopping experience up to the point of receiving the parcel is a one single transaction, and you will judge the retailer or the marketplace or whoever the seller based on that entire experience. And the last mile is where things go wrong quite a lot.
The first issue I would think of is missing your parcel or delaying the parcel. Whenever I order something, it never comes on time.
If you're a full-time worker, the only day where you can go and pick it up your parcel would be only on Saturday if the nearby post office is open.
So a solution like HUBBED allows us to have multiple parcels dropped off in one go.
Instead, you can go to your local convenience store, supermarket, news agency, pharmacy, doing your daily shopping.
We're empowering customers to really pick up and drop off parcels when it suits them.
The retailers benefit greatly from using HUBBED because, first of all, the technology that we provide them is very easy to implement. We also give them technology to offer click and collect and returns.
We provide consumer convenience so that they don't have to struggle during their business hours to go collect a parcel or wait at the doorstep for the driver to be dropping off the parcel. Instead, they can choose their time.
Most people pick their parcels up from our network on a Saturday. About 25% of our customers do that because it's just more convenient for them. Parcel delivery is a dirty business in terms of CO2 emissions and congestion on our streets. It's just not a good business from the perspective of sustainability.
From an environmental point of view, like the trucks on the road, all being funneled into individual addresses, the carbon emissions are huge.
All the parcels, instead of getting delivered to each and every house in the area, they would be just consolidated within one place. So it reduced the emissions from the couriers, which is obviously great.
It's really imperative to me that I ensure that we have an atmosphere where people bring their best selves to work.
Yeah, our team is really loving, kind, caring. There's a lot of collaboration between people on the floor. It's just, it feels like a real team.
I think you thrive here if you have initiative. You're a real go-getter.
First of all, we're not boring, and some may often refer that as fun.
Oh, we are fun. We are fun and we are a loud team. We party hard, we work harder and party harder as well. So
innovation for me is being able to introduce ideas or processes that would improve or address like a need or a gap that you have in the current situation.
When I think about innovation, it needs to do one of two or three things. It should create more choice, it should drive efficiency, and it should create new experiences.
If you are able to provide a solution which is more approachable, convenient, accessible, I think it's innovation for me.
It's not only about fixing the issues which we have currently, but also imagining what could happen in the future and trying to solve them beforehand, so we are staying ahead of the curve.
Boom! Cool.